So it's a three-stage attack and defend here at Raptor Airsoft Field. I was in the neighborhood, so I stopped by. Matt Boyle's up in the bunker tower. Stopped by because I was in the neighborhood after coming back from Operation Road to Kharkhov. You can just, military Outback, where Raptor Airsoft Field is on CR 42, County Road 42. And you could take that out to 441, and then you're right next to a military Outback. So if you want to play military Outback on Saturday, and then you could just drive over to Wasteland Ops on Saturday, and then you could just drive over to military Outback on Sunday. It's only like it felt like a half-hour drive. It's only like, they said it's more like an hour, but it was a nice drive, so I guess it felt like half an hour. But the breeze is pretty cool, even though the sun's out and we're in a sandy area. So that's Jacob Ward over there, I believe.
Yeah, let's attack. They're regrouping. Let's give them a chance.
And Pops is leading the attacking team at the other end. That's Randy, I'm not sure if it's pronounced Zuklik. But everyone knows him as Pops. He runs in a World War II GI uniform, and he's got a nice M4 that's quiet and accurate.
Attacking team is now down by 8 attackers. I'm gonna get to the truck, alright?
He said the attacking team is down by 8 attackers.
I had 7.
Yeah. Let me get closer to the action. Let's go in for a closer look. Make sure my gun's up so they don't make me a target. There's Juan, the property owner, out getting some footage. Matt's advancing. I believe Matt Linder is refereeing the match. Not sure where those guys are coming from.
Juan, you might want to get out of the way.
There's a pretty nice cool breeze going here. Little hosing there.